Hey, so here's Bindle app. You can go to the website joinbindle.com and you can just click below, tap below to download Bindle app. Let's just go to the App Store. It's also available on Google Play Store and Galaxy. And this is the app. Just use a Touch ID to install it. This is the size, and that's a secure wallet for your health records. So you can use for like vaccination records and all of that. So then when you can just tap open, here's the app, and then you can just set up your Bindle. So you need to accept user agreement. So you can also restore your Bindle if you created it on another phone, for example, or another device, or you can just create a new Bindle. So then you just need to take a photo. So from photos, you can just do this. Then you need to enter your first name, date of birth, and then you can upload your ID, but that's for your identification, but that's voluntary. Then you can just enter your email here. Then you can just enter your mobile. And then you can just submit. And then you need to check your email for confirmation code. Maybe it should, yeah. So yeah. And then there you have it. Now your Bindle app is ready to go, so it's just encrypting information. And then there you have it. Now you have entry passes, you have your certificates, you can add new, you can search, and all of that. So that's the idea.